With Ware Landscaping, and we are at a huge drainage job in Aurora, and I just wanted to go over the placement of a French drain and how important that is. You can see through here they were having a lot of water issues through here, all through here. We picked the worst area, which is all through this area, and you can see that there's a bit of a swale through there. So when placing the French drain, it's really important to put it in the low section. Charlie, walk over here with me. We did a 4-inch perforated pipe all through here. We did a fabric around the pipe, and then actually filter fabric around it too. And then we did a 3/4 inch clean aggregate that's gonna help absorb the water and act like a sponge. But then these drains are really important because the water gets channeled into the French drain. And if you walk over here, this is a really important part. The catch basin is actually on the bottom of the trench, which is about 14 inches down. So if you step on this, I'm a pretty big guy, and it's not gonna move. But this is a trick that we do to keep, during construction, we keep it up high so no mud or anything's gonna get into it. But you can see here, everything is the low point. So this drainage system is gonna work really well because the drain is actually at the very lowest point. And that's a huge mistake that people make, is they don't put the drains at the low point. And then if you walk over here, you can see, and during the construction it gets kind of muddy and messy, but you can see through here, this is gonna be the low point all through here. So all of this water is gonna get collected into the French drain. We're gonna cut out all the sod around it and drain everything. The sod is actually a really good conductor because it helps channel all of the water to it. We tied in all the downspouts. And in this case in particular, they have a storm sewer down here, which is really, it's important, and it's gonna help it work that much better because all of the water is gonna get channeled into there directly. But you can see over here on both sides that all the water is gonna go into the system. They used to have a lot of ice and freezing water during the winter, which you can see kids right there walking to school, to the school bus. And that's the last thing you want at a huge apartment complex like that. And this system's gonna solve that problem. It's gonna be beautiful when it's all done, and they're not gonna have any more water problems. And yeah, just really excited. And we got a nice break in the weather today, so we came over here. But it's about 80 to 85% done. The last part is just grading everything and making it look really pretty and putting in the sod. And just wanted to go over the placement of a French drain and how important it is, so then it's fully utilized.